Hey everyone, welcome to the Maritimes. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It's a snowy day here today. Got my cup of tea. I need tea and honey because I've been talking so much with the Worldwide Award. My voice is starting to go. I just read an interesting stat about digital on Worldwide Award. So last January in 2025, 42% of all contacts were on digital. So that's a big percentage.
Breaking news, digital modes break new QSO records, details at 11.
That means of the approximate 60% of the remainder QSOs were voice and CW. There you go, folks. What does that tell you? What does that tell you about the rise of digital on the HF bands? And this year in 2026, the latest stat shows us at 40%. So yes, maybe a slight decline from last year, but it's only the 11th of January. We still have the entire month basically to go. And I think we'll be closer to that 42, 43, maybe 44% of all QSOs on WWA this January on the digital modes. That's an interesting percentage. It just goes to reinforce my other video that digital is definitely the king of the HF bands. Like it or not, I know some of you guys are very anti-digital. I get it. I mean, you like the art of communication. And some people will say, well, you're not doing hamming. You're not hamming. You're not making QSOs. Well, contrary to popular belief, and yes, there are some robots out there, and there are some guys doing CW that are generated by computers and not by their key. Okay, so let's be honest here. But on most operators, not all, but most operators on digital, it's the radio doing the transmitting from a computer operated by a ham radio operator. So a ham radio operator is operating a computer, which is in turn transmitting on the radio. What's the difference between that and a CW key? That and a microphone. It's just a means of communication. Still controlled by a ham radio operator. Anyway, 42% last year. What an amazing number. Again, I'm not a pure digital purist. I still like SSB, and I am going to play with CW this year. But you just can't argue with the stats, folks. Digital's making its way, and it's snowing like crazy. We're going inside. See you guys later.